Looking to jump into one of Instagram's trendiest summer stories? Here's how to join the viral "Summer is Calling" trend. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. To skip the search and find the template instantly, just head over to my profile on the Space app links right below in the description. Everything you need is ready and waiting for you there. Once you're in the app, pick a photo that screams summer, whether it's a golden beach, a refreshing snack, or a sunset with your favorite people. Want to make it stand out? Add some fun summer emojis, a GIF, or even a sunny tune to match the vibe. Let your creativity shine and make the story your own. When you're happy with your creation, save it and share it to your Instagram story so your friends can join in too. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more trendy tips, and tell us in the comments. Where is summer calling you this year? See you in the next one.